Hello my lovelies, how are you guys doing today? I hope everyone is doing well. Welcome back to Happy Wife, Happy Life. My name is Shelly, and today guys, I'm going to be showing you how I use the things that I previously hauled, and I have that video linked down below in case you missed it. So make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel because this month is going to be all about spring, decorating for spring, refreshing the house and making it beautiful, cleaning, decorating, organizing, and it's gonna be a lot, guys. So make sure you hit that subscribe button right now before we continue. All right, guys, so like I previously said, I went shopping, got a couple of things for my house. I have a very neutral house, a lot of beiges and dark grays, and we have a lot of mirrors. My style is a little bit more of the transitional glam look, which meaning it's a little on the contemporary modern, but it also has that glam wow factor, and that's my style. So I went ahead and I picked up a couple things from Ross and TJMax, and basically I'm putting it all together for you guys. So I hope you enjoy. my lovelies, I hope you guys enjoyed what you saw and it inspired you to get up and decorate for spring. If you guys liked it, give me a thumbs up, and also make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. That way, every time I upload a video, you guys are notified, okay? So I'll see you in the next one. Bye.